Today I'm going to be cleaning my room slash studio apartment. So I'm going to be cleaning off all the countertops. I'm going to also clean my bathroom, and I actually need to clean my makeup brushes as well. So let's get right into it. So I think first we are going to start cleaning my countertops so I can start cleaning my brushes. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick up things around my room and put them where they need to be, just so that I can have a clean surface to wipe down all my countertops, my table, and my makeup table. For cleaning products, I'm going to use the Clorox disinfecting spray just to wipe down my tables and my countertops and my table and my countertops and my makeup table. Another thing that I like to have is I like to have some gloves on while I'm wiping down the table and countertops, and while I'm washing the dishes. I just like to use some cleaning gloves. If I do have a manicure, that's when I put on the gloves. Next, we are going to wash the dishes. I didn't have too many dishes to clean. I just wanted to clean the dishes really quickly so I can get into cleaning my brushes as well. Next, I am going to get into cleaning my brushes. So I am going to be doing a dedicated brush cleaning video because I have changed the way I clean my brushes now, and I absolutely love the way that they turn out. This new way of doing them is a lot better than just using like dish soap and stuff like that. They turn out so nice. Now let's move into my bathroom. I'm first going to start by cleaning the countertop around the sink and this little wood thing that's right next to the sink as well. Now it's time to clean the mirrors around my bathroom and in my room/studio apartment. So I'm just going to be using this glass cleaner. I'm going to be cleaning all the mirrors with this, and then I'm going to move right into cleaning my toilet. So I just use some Clorox wipes just to wipe down the toilet, inside the toilet. Next, I'm going to take some toilet cleaner and clean the very inside of the toilet. My bathtub really needed a good clean, so I am just spending a lot of time just cleaning the inside of my bathtub and a little bit of the rim of the bathtub as well with that same Clorox disinfectant spray. Now I'm going to use this stainless steel cleaner to clean the outside of my fridge. So I also have a spring clean with me video here on my YouTube channel. I will link that on the screen and in the description, so you can go check that out as well. See you guys in the next one. Bye!